Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw WETFIRE from Space Jam: A New Legacy. If you guys have any other different Space Jam characters you would like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to get them all drawn. But thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with WETFIRE, we're going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to start right here, and we just want to draw a line that's going to come up like this. Then we're going to leave a little bit of space and we're going to make that same line right over here. Next, starting here, we're going to make lines going to go down and then it's going to come up and connect, kind of like a half circle. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down and then we're going to come up. So it looks like he's kind of angry. Right inside of here, I'm going to add a small smiley face inside each one, and then we're going to just color it in for the pupils. Starting here, we're going to make two little lines that are going to come down for the nose. We'll draw a little line on each side that kind of curves out and then comes back in. And then we're going to make lines going to go down and it's going to come back up for the nose. Right here at the top of the nose, we're going to make lines going to go up and then it's going to come down. And then we're going to make another shape like that a little bit taller. So we're just going to go up and down. We'll do it again. We're going to go up and then down a little bit. And then right up here, we're going to go up and then down here. Now, underneath the nose, I'm going to draw a little line that comes across for the mouth. And a little line is going to go down, over, and then up for the bottom of the lips. Now, starting here kind of like at the edge of the eyebrows, I want to draw a line that's going to come down to about the nose. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to come down to about the nose. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side, and you can see it kind of angles in. Next, we're going to make a line across for the chin. Now, starting right here at the nose, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and we'll do another one that comes down here. Then we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It's going to run right into the face. So we'll just draw a little line that's going to come up and it's going to run right into there. Starting here, we're going to make another line that's going to go up and down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go up and down. Then we're going to make lines going to go down and come up. So we'll do the same thing. We'll go down and then we'll come up to kind of form the goatee. Now, starting here, we're going to make lines going to kind of curve up, and it's going to come down for the top of the hairline. Right here by the eyebrow, we'll draw lines going to go up, and it's going to come down and up for an ear. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up, and then we'll come down and up for an ear. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up on each side. You want to keep it really close to the head. Then I'm going to start up here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down a little bit. We'll draw another one that's going to go up and down. And another one that's just going to go up and down. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to come to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out and another little line that's going to come out. Draw a line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're going to bring it in a little bit. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come across here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. And we'll just draw a line that's going to come across here for the shorts. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to come up and a little line across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down and then another line that comes down. And I'm going to bring these down a little bit farther, closer towards the bottom of the paper. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down and a line that comes down here. Then at the bottom, we're going to make a line that comes straight across. And we'll make another line that comes straight across out here. Draw a line that's going to come up and down. And another one that's going to come up and down. I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and it's going to come down. And another one here, we're going to go over and come down for the top of the shoe. Next, we'll make a line across on the bottom of each foot, and that'll just kind of be the sole of his sneaker. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. I want to make this line go over a little bit. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then it's going to come over here. We'll make another line that's going to come up and down. And we'll make one more that goes up and down, and that's going to connect to here for the fingers. Next, we'll bring this line in a little bit. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up here for his arm. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a circle shape for the basketball. And then we want to draw some fire on here. So I'm going to make some long, kind of wavy, curvy lines. They're going to come to a point and they're going to come right back down. Draw a couple more. I'm going to make the flames go in different directions. Make one here. And then we'll make another one that's going to come up here. Starting here for the details on the basketball, let's make a little curved line to kind of split it in half. We'll make a line that's going to come up and down here. We'll draw one that comes across here. And we'll make one that's going to go down and up here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out and it's going to come down. And we'll make another line that's going to come down here. Draw a line that's going to curve down and in. Little line here. Then we'll draw a line that's going to curve out and it's going to come up. Draw another one that goes out and up. Another one here, and we're going to connect it there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Wet Fire from the new Space Jam 2 movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.